Looking for a quiet setup for your computer case? Well, you gotta consider the Noctua 120mm 3-pin ultra quiet silent fan. Now that's a big claim, but it makes a big difference and they're not telling lies. Now we're looking at 800 to 600 RPM range, coming in at 8.6 decibels. That's pretty quiet compared to most average fans. And lately I've been doing voiceovers and I'm trying to quiet my area by my computer desk, and my fans were giving me a good solid hum. And I went all in with Noctua. I went in with 120mm and 140mm, and I tell you, it is a game changer. If you're looking for a quiet setup, you have to consider the Noctua fan. You will not be disappointed.